The demeanor of the suspect is quite unusual, ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
Why? Because considering all those items already taken by them, but the thing is they return to those owners.
Itutuloy po natin ito para mas malaman natin kung ano ang tunay na motibo, naging motibo po ng dalawang motor riding suspect opo na naiulat.